Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And in this super quick video, I'm going to show you how to export a single frame and take a screenshot in CapCut. So first, let's import some media, and let's say I want to export a single frame from this media clip here. Let's drag it onto our timeline. Then what you want to do is move the playhead to where you want to take a single frame from. So let's say here, and all you need to do is press freeze like that. And then when we watch that back, you can see that has frozen that single frame. But how do you extract a single frame? Come to the place where you want to extract it. So let's say here. Come over to the middle here where the player is and press these three little lines or the hamburger menu. Then come down to export still frame. Then we can change the name, export to, the resolution, the format, and if you want to import it into the project. Then all you need to do is press export, and that single frame will be exported and imported into your project if you've left that ticked, like that. So that's how to export a single frame and take a screenshot in CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.